Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to K-Trix3's channel. Today we're gonna unbox, very exciting, the Three Kingdoms. So we're actually gonna unbox the hologram edition. There's actually 3 editions that I have. This is created by Patrick Zhu. So they have a red version. And this is the gilded version, which is purple. Let's see, right here, purple gilded. And then this is actually the final version. It is the holographic edition. It's the final edition of the series, and it's based out of historical China themed. So it's really cool. I like the whole story of it if you read it in my description. So here's what the tuck box looks like. Very stylish. It's really detailed, as you can see, and it's all foiled hollow. That's the side of it. It's printed by Kingstar PCC, and they printed out of 999. This deck is 112. They're pretty awesome. I do love the back design. As you can see, it matches. Whoa, look at that hollow. And here is the tuck box inside of the tuck box. Very nice. Let's get into the cards. Actually, it's my first time opening these cards. Here is the 2 jokers. I think it's like a ancient lion, something like that. Check that out. Wow. It's actually really thin. I really like these cards. How does it smell like? Wow. Whoa. Alright, so here is the Ace of Spades. If you have the original Three Kingdoms, it looks really similar, except this is hollow. Here's the number cards. As you can see, all of the numbers are hollow. Whoa, I love this. This deck is sick. The Queen of Spades, King of Spades, Ace of Diamonds. Here's some of the number cards. It's fully customized, so you can see, as you can see, it's you know, the side is broken borders. Queen of Diamonds, the diamonds, the King of Clubs. Beautiful. Wow. This is definitely worth getting if you can get your hands on any of them in their store, because they only make 1,000 decks. Keep that in mind. Oh, I do love the club right there. Looks really unique. Here's the rest of the number cards. The heart. And one of the gaff cards. Whoa, super shiny. And here's another look of the back design. As you can see, those two parts are the broken borders, which makes an awesome fan. Let's see. Whoa, there we go. Feels great. Let's see how it furrows. It's really good. Wow. Definitely recommend these. It is the Three Kingdoms Holo Edition. Let me know in the comments what you think about these, and tell me if you got them from Kickstarter. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.